compatibility between a 32-bit application and a 64-bit system, or when required system files are corrupted or missing. Here are advanced solutions to resolve the issue. Try 1. Reinstall required runtime libraries. The error often occurs due to missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. 1. Uninstall existing Visual C++ redistributables. Go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. Uninstall all entries with Microsoft Visual C++. 2. Reinstall the required versions. Download the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables at learn.microsoft.com/enscpp/Windows latest supported VC redist for both x86 32-bit and x64 64-bit. Install both versions. 2. Reinstall DirectX 1. Download the latest DirectX version from the Microsoft DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer www.microsoft.com/na/download/details.x35. 2. Run the installer and let it update your DirectX components. 3. Check for missing or corrupt system files. Run the System File Checker, SFC, and DSM commands. 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. 2. Run these commands one by one. cmaneta sfc scannow dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. 3. Restart your PC once the scans are complete. 4. Reinstall the application. 5. Replace DLL files. The error may be related to missing or corrupted DLL files like xinput1.3.dll. www.filescom/ or manually replace. Locate xinput1.3.dll or xinput14.dll. Place the file in the application's root directory and see Windows System 32. 2. Use Dependency Walker. Download and install Dependency Walker to analyze the application's dependencies, identify missing DLLs, and place them in the required directory. 6. Update graphics drivers. 1. Download and install the latest graphics drivers from your GPU manufacturer's website. NVIDIA drivers, http://nvidia.com/downloadsindex.aspx, amd.com/support, Intel. 7. Run the application as administrator. 1. Right-click on the application's shortcut. 2. Select Shocked Properties Compatibility. 3. Check Run this program as an administrator and click OK. 8. Ensure system updates. 1. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. 2. Check for updates and install all pending updates. 9. Verify application architecture. If you're running a 32-bit application on a 64-bit system, 1. Ensure you've installed the 32-bit version of all dependencies, e.g. Visual C++. 2. Download the correct version of the application. 10. Perform a clean boot. 1. Press Win-R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. 2. Go to the Services tab. 3. Check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. 4. Restart your PC and try running the application again. If the error persists after trying these methods, let me know the application you're running, and I can provide specific guidance.